the greatest mystery in the history of gaming is finally unraveling. For nearly a decade, one console has defied the laws of physics, outlasting powerhouses like the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X despite running on hardware that was outdated the day it launched. We are talking about the Nintendo Switch. But as we sit here in 2026, the era of making do is officially over. The successor isn't just a rumor anymore, it's a physical reality sitting in the hands of developers across the globe. We have the leaks, we have the manufacturing manifests from the shipping ports, and we have the internal code names that point to a machine so powerful, it doesn't just compete with handhelds, it aims to reset the industry standard. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are holding off on a Steam Deck or wondering if your current Switch is about to become a paperweight, stop everything. The Nintendo Switch 2 is the most important hardware release of the decade, and the secrets we've uncovered are going to change the way you look at Nintendo forever. To understand where we are going, we have to look at the T239 chip. This is the custom NVIDIA silicon that has been the subject of thousands of forum posts and supply chain leaks. But in 2026, we finally have the benchmarks. We aren't just looking at a super Switch. We are looking at a handheld that utilizes NVIDIA's DLSS 3.5, Deep Learning Super Sampling. This is the magic trick that allows a small, battery-efficient device to output visuals that look like native 4K. By using AI to upscale images in real time, Nintendo is bypassing the thermal limits that have held back portable gaming for years. Imagine playing a brand new Legend of Zelda title with the lighting effects of a high-end PC, all while sitting on a plane. This isn't just a dream, it's the architectural foundation of the Switch 2. But power is nothing without a window to see it through. The debate between LCD and OLED has ravaged the community for months. However, the latest shipping data from Samsung Display suggests a curveball. We are looking at an 8-inch massive display, the largest ever for a Nintendo handheld. While the base model is expected to use a highly efficient, high-brightness LCD to keep costs down for families, the Pro or Launch Edition whispers suggest a peak brightness that will make outdoor gaming actually viable. Why 8 inches? Because Nintendo is doubling down on the hybrid philosophy. They want this to be your primary media tablet, your movie screen, and your portal into the Mushroom Kingdom. Let's talk about the Joy-Con 2.0. The original Joy-Cons were a stroke of genius marred by a single word, drift. Nintendo knows that for a premium 2026 launch, they cannot afford another class action lawsuit. The Switch 2 is rumored to move away from traditional potentiometers and toward magnetic Hall effect sensors. This means zero physical contact between moving parts, effectively killing stick drift forever. But that's not the big news. The real shocker is the magnetic attachment system. Gone are the plastic rails that wiggle and creak over time. The new controllers snap into place with industrial-grade magnets, creating a seamless, rock-solid handheld experience that feels like a single piece of precision engineering. Backward compatibility is the make-or-break feature for millions of users in the USA. With over 140 million Switch consoles sold, Nintendo cannot afford to leave that library behind. The good news: internal documents suggest the dual cartridge slot is real. It's designed to accept your old physical library while providing a new, high-capacity format